Hi everyone and welcome to the Brilliant Little Backyard. Today we're going to harvest the parsley for the first time this season. Usually second and third harvest way better than the first harvest, but this looking really good for the first harvest this year, and we're in the middle of the spring. So we're going to harvest this one, and then I'm going to show you how to maintain the parsley to give many more harvests this year, and the harvest would be better quality if we do the tips that I'm going to give you through this video. This is a small area, like 1 square meter, and this parsley is enough for 8 people probably to do salad or tabbouleh. So I'm going to start harvesting, and then next step is how to maintain the parsley. Let's do it. As you can see, I cut the parsley almost near the ground, and don't worry, that will reshoot and produce in the next couple of days, and I'm going to clean the whole lot. So as you can see, these 5 bunches of the parsley, they're really nice and fresh and very green. Now I will clean the area very well from all the offcuts. Now the next step after cleaning the ground is feeding the parsley for the better harvest next time. So what I'm going to do is I will prepare 9 liters of water, and I will add 5 milliliter of seaweed concentrate to each liter of water. So that's 9 liters, it will be around 45 ml of seaweed concentrate. So after mixing the seaweed solution well in 9 liters of water, I'm going to water the parsley deep in this solution. Every week I'm going to repeat this feed for the next couple of months, and we will be harvesting every 2 weeks. So every week one feed, every 2 weeks one harvest of the same. We can harvest half of it or whatever we need, because the parsley will keep growing. It doesn't matter if we harvest or not, it will keep growing well. It's preferred to harvest every couple of weeks. So please, I would like you to like, share and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.